Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to concatenate the SharePoint list column in a PowerApps combo box control. I have a SharePoint list called employee details, which has the columns like employee first name and last name. But in the combo box control, I need to concatenate these two columns. So like I need my combo box control should have the values like Serena Vanderwoodson, Blair Waldorf, John Smith. So I need to concatenate this both columns now. I'll show you like, see on my PowerApps combo box control, I need to concatenate those two columns. See, Serena Vanderwoodson, Isato, John Smith and Blade Wardrobe. So it is concatenate the two columns. Let me show you how to achieve this. Now on the new screen, I'll insert the combo box control. And set its items property to sort by columns, add columns, my SharePoint list name, employee details, comma, I'll provide some name, both name, comma, I need to concatenate SharePoint list column name, employee first name, comma, I need space after that, and I need employee last name. So I need to concatenate these both columns. Close the bracket. Now again, provide both names, comma, sort dot design. Okay. Let me check, preview the app. So now when I expand the combo box control, it will be concatenate the employee first name and the last name. And concatenate the SharePoint list column. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel to get free video tutorials on SharePoint Online, Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI. Thank you.